Hi, Beanbeauties. Welcome into Chaotic Mess. I think today's going to be a miscellaneous mess video. So come on back and we'll figure out what we're unboxing today. All right, Beanbeauties. Thanks for coming in. We have a little teeny tiny unboxing prior to our miscellaneous mess. And the unboxing here is here. Let me see if I can hold this. Look, Chanel sent me a gift. Yes, Chanel sent me a gift. Like, I don't know why, I don't know how, but they sent me this gift. And I was like, what? So I wanted to share it with y'all. Here is how they boxed it. I did open it. I don't know if I remember what it is. It's something small, it's a mini. But a nice little bag, a nice little card here. It's in a beautiful, actually a beautiful card. It says, compliments of the house. Thank you for being a loyal Chanel client. Please enjoy this gesture of appreciation. Continue exploring fragrance, makeup, and skincare on Chanel.com. So I purchased a lot, a lot of stuff last in 2024, 2025 from Chanel makeup and lipsticks and things like that. Some gifts and things. I haven't purchased anything this year for as far as Christmas wise, but this came just before I think just after Halloween, but before Thanksgiving. And here is what it is. So this is the Rouge Allure Liquid Velvet. I wonder if it's because I have the little essay girl. What's her name? I'll put a picture up here and link her down below. But I'll need to make sure she's still with Chanel. So I want to thank her if she's the one who did it, or it says .com. So I don't know if I got it from the website or I got it from her.
Update, Beanbeauties. I spoke with Sky, and yes, she's still with Chanel, and yes, she was the one who sent me the gift. I am so honored, and actually, it's going to make me want to purchase from her the end of this Christmas season, because once I take care of all of my birthdays and Christmas for everybody else, I think I'm going to buy me a from me Chanel beauty product. So it worked. This is her information. Feel free to contact her, reach out to her if you are in need of anything. She will definitely take care of you. Just make sure to tell her that I sent you. Bye, Beanbeauties.
But this is one of my favorite lipsticks. I don't know if this is the color that's my favorite Chanel color lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. I don't think I have this color. What color is this? No, I don't have this color. What does it look like? Oh yeah, I don't have that. But I love this mini. This little mini. This will go great, and these dry down very well. But I just was impressed with that. I mean, I don't buy a whole lot, and very, very pretty. I don't buy a whole lot. I just thought that, it was sweet of them to do that, thoughtful of them to do that. I mean, the postage alone is craziness for this. So thank you, Chanel. Thank you for the kind gesture, for the beauty boutique. Love it. Okay, this right here, after feeling it, I might know what it is. I think I might know what it is, which it's been a long time. I ordered this from ItsHadrian. It was shipped to my house July 17, 2025. So not too bad. It was in July. So I think I might know what this is. Well, let's see. Yeah. And why did she buy it? I don't know. James Jam. Remember when I told you on one of your videos that I thought I bought something from SkullPanda? She was unboxing a bunch of SkullPandas, and I told her, I said, I think I got a tote, but I didn't realize, or I didn't remember the tote being this nice. So it's just a novelty SkullPanda tote. The SkullPandas are part of the Mart universe. It says Everyday Wonderland SkullPanda. What it is, I do not know. Hadrian had it because he has all kinds of miscellaneous items. It's still wrapped up. I don't know. Could it be a gift? I don't know. Here's what the inside looks like. It's very nice. It's very nice tote. I mean, it feels like it's leather. I don't know if it's real leather. If it's PU, it's very nice. Yeah, it has pop mark back here. And it's cute. It's kind of got the Raggedy Ann and Andy vibe, like a modern one. But who knows? Who knows? Alrighty, Bean Beauties, let's go over to the DIY Labubu advent calendar and let's see what we got today. All right, we're gonna open the macaroons first because these I don't know if these were gifts or they're colors I want for me. I got excited whenever he gets Labubu stuff. I just got excited, so I don't want to mess it up. Well, you know what, the kids they never want the box anyway. They just like to they just take it off the tree. But I didn't know if I was going to put anything in their under the tree. Yeah, because this is completely brand new. So let's open it together. Yeah. Don't know what color it is. Oh, it's upside down. It's a Breech, baby. She's Breech. It's green. Okay, I think I have a green one. No, I have a seat in green. Do I have a? These are the macaroons, right? Yeah, and they're the ones who stand up. I don't know. Do I have a green one? I used to know which ones I had, but when the kids robbed me, I don't know what I had left. Okay, so I probably picked up a green one because I think a green one is one of the ones that they took, that they kidnapped. So I got another one. I just replaced it. Alrighty, let's put it up on the tree. Let's put it right here. Try to balance it out a little bit. My lights need to be fixed. This whole tree needs to be have some attention to it. Whoa. I didn't expect it to be that heavy. The other ones didn't come down so far. There we go. Can you see it better? Okay. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thanks so much for coming by. Thanks very much for being here. We had a lot today. We had a Chanel unboxing. We had a Labubu, the green one unboxing. We had a lot today. So thanks so much for coming by. Hope that you're enjoying the series. Let me know down below if you like it. If you don't, I'm sorry. Let me know that too. Because I don't know, I may not do it again next year, but I mean, well, who knows? Next year is next year. We're in the now. We're in the now. All righty, Bean Beauties. Merry Christmas. Love y'all. Bye-bye.